Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up AWS RDS for PostgreSQL Server 17.6. Then we will connect from the pgAdmin. Click on services, then see here we have the database, or in search box search for RDS. Click on Aurora and RDS. Then click on database instances. Then click on create database. Then see here we have two database creation methods, standard create or easy create. I am going to use standard create. Then don't select this Aurora PostgreSQL compatible, select PostgreSQL only. Then engine version, see here we have the latest version 17.6, so select it. Then if you want to enable RDS extended support, you have to select the checkbox. Then see here templates, we have production, dev or test or free tier. If you select free tier, these options are grayed out. Okay, so it is up to you. But this demo purpose I am going with free tier eligible. Then we have only this availability option, availability and durability option. Also see here one instance, but here we have two instances, three instances. Then we have to provide the DB instance identifier name. I am giving AWS RDS. Okay, this is just like virtual machine name. Then provide the master username. See, this is the default one. If you want to provide some other, you can provide. Then credential management, self-managed or managed in AWS Secret Manager. This is most secure one. Okay, I don't want. And if you want to auto-generate password, you have to select the checkbox. But I don't want. I want my one. So password must satisfy these conditions. Minimum constraints are at least 8 printable ASCII characters and cannot contain any of following symbols. Okay, so provide the password. Then instance configuration, DB instance class. See, this standard class and memory optimized classes is grayed out. Why? Because we have selected here free tier. Only we have burstable classes. In burstable also we have only these two available. Okay, select any one of them. Then if you want more CPUs and memory, you have to select the production. Then only we will be able to select. Then storage, see by default that 20 gigabytes, but you can give up to 6144 gigabytes. Okay, then storage type, see here we have different. I am going with general purpose SSD GP3. Then advanced storage configuration, if you want to enable storage auto scaling, you have to select this one, and this is the maximum storage threshold. Connectivity, compute resource, if you don't want to connect to an EC2 compute resource, you have to select this radio button. If you want to connect to an EC2 compute resource, you have to select this one. Okay, then network type, I am going with IPv4. Virtual private cloud VPC. See, I am going to create new VPC for this AWS RDS. DB subnet group, see here we have only one. And public access, I am going to select S. Then VPC security group, that is firewall. I want to create new one, so select create new. Then availability option, select any one of them. Then availability zone, I am going to select this one. RDS proxy, if you want to create an RDS, you have to select this one. Certificate authority, I don't want. I am going with the defaults. Then additional configuration, see this is the default port for the PostgreSQL server, that is 5432. Tags, I am not going to provide. Database authentication, see here we have the options like password authentication, password and IAM database authentication, password and Kerberos authentication. Monitoring, see here we have two options, database insights advanced and database insights standard. Okay, I am going with standard. Then enable performance insights. If you want to enable, you can select the checkbox. And see here the retention period, see you can give up to from 7 days to up to 24 months. Okay, I am not going to configure. If you want, you can configure. Then AWS KMS key, if you want to enter key ARN, you have to select here and you have to provide the ARN information. I am going with the defaults. Then additional monitoring, see if you want to enable enhanced monitoring, you have to select the checkbox. Then you have to provide these details. Okay, see logs exports, select the log types to publish to Amazon CloudWatch logs. If you want, you can select this. Okay, it is up to you, whatever you want you can select. Then turn on DevOps Guru. It is up to you. I don't want additional configuration. See, if you want to create initial database, we have to provide the name of the database. Sales. See, this database will be created. Okay, enable backups. If you want to enable, you can select here. See, here we have the backup retention also. See, here we have from 1 day to 35 days. 0 means nothing. Okay, so if you want to enable, you can enable. Then remaining options I am not going to configure. If you want to provide maintenance window, you have to choose the window, then you have to provide the duration information. Okay, if you want to enable delete production, you have to select the checkbox. Okay, review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on create database. See, creating database, and this is the identifier name. Okay, see, status is creating. Click on this identifier, and if you want to see the connection details, see here, this is the username, this is the password, it is hidden. See, once the status is changed, then we will be able to see here endpoint. Also here endpoint and port number not populated. It will be populated once the status is changed. Okay, this will take 1 to 5 minutes. Wait until the status to be changed. See, successfully created database. Okay, view connection details. See here, it populated the endpoint. See here also it populated the endpoint and port number. And if you forgot the username, click on configuration. See here, this is the master username. Okay, and see status is available, identifier name, engine type, region and AZ, that is availability zone, class type and other information. Now we will connect to AWS RDS PostgreSQL server by using pgAdmin. Okay, I have already installed pgAdmin. Okay, so go to pgAdmin. Now right click on this servers, then select register, then select server, then provide the name can be anything, then copy this connectivity, copy this endpoint, then go to connection, paste it, maintenance database Postgres, username also we have the master username Postgres, then provide the password of this user, then click on save. See, if you receive this error like unable to connect to server, connection time dot expired, then go to here, then click on security groups, then click on security group ID, then click on edit inbound rules, then click on add new role, then select the PostgreSQL. See, it is selected, port number 5432. Here we have to provide the source information, my IP or IP range. If you want custom IP range, you have to provide here. Okay, so my IP, then click on save rules, go to pgAdmin, then remove the password and provide the password again, then click on save. See, now we have successfully connected. Expand connection, then see here RDS admin means we have successfully connected to AWS RDS, and see here we have created this initial database, that is sales. Even if you go to login roles, we will have the RDS logins. Okay, and if you want to verify the version, right click on any database, then open query tool, then verify the version, select version, select it, execute it. See, we got the PostgreSQL server 17.6. okay, this is the way. Okay, we have successfully connected. Even we can connect from the TPUR or PSQL client. Okay, if you want to connect by using PSQL client, then right click on any database, then PSQL tool, it is already connected. See, this is the command, you can run this command on your terminal. Okay, see, now if you want to stop, you have to select this stop temporarily. If you want to reboot, you have to select this reboot, and if you are not using, and if you want to save the cost, you have to select this delete. This is the last option. Okay, and if you want to change the password of this master password, then you have to click on this modify, then you have to provide the password here. Okay, then you have to click on this continue and confirmation. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create or set up AWS RDS for PostgreSQL Server 17.6. Then we have connected it from pgAdmin. Okay, for more AWS or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.